In the world of structural steel fabrication, time is money. The performance of your people and your equipment is what gets the job done. On the shop floor, quality, capacity to do work, and commitment is everything that your reputation is based on. The PythonX, a machine with real processing power. No apologies, no excuses, no substitutions. Manufactured to outlast and outperform, day in and day out. So what are you doing with all this power? Separating yourself from the competition. Any job, every time. The PythonX continues to prove itself globally year after year as the go-to system for serious fabricators. Building relationships, every cut, every client, every time. The PythonX machine from Lincoln Electric, the #1 robotic plasma fabrication system, period. Power, quality, and reliability you can rest your reputation on. Any questions?